Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this super cute 3D origami guitar cum fridge magnet. I have decorated this with super cute quilling flowers, and from backside I have attached the magnet. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. First I will share how to make the origami piece. So here I am taking this yellow paper which measures 3.5 by 2.5 centimeters. You have to fold this in half like this. Again fold in half. Then on this center line you have to fold from both the sides on 90 degree. Then rotate your piece. Fold both the corners on 90 degree. Then fold this flap upward from both the sides and fold from the center, and your piece is ready. In the bottom you will get two pockets and on top you will get two flaps. So just make these type of pieces ready before starting and tuck it inside each other so that it will be easier for you to handle it. And before starting with the work, just open all the pieces. So I have created in 3 shades here. In total we need 150 orange pieces, 150 yellow pieces and 125 black color pieces. First we need to create some pairs. So just take one piece, add glue inside the right pocket, take one more piece and insert left flap into this right pocket like this. In this way I have created total 13 pairs, and now I am joining all pairs together. To create these origami pieces I have used 90 GSM paper. So we have chain ready. Now I am starting with the next layer. So just add glue on all the pieces first. And this is the third row, so we have to add 10 orange, 2 yellow and 3 orange pieces. Here I am increasing the width of my base first for the base of guitar. Like this. Then I am starting with 4th row. So we have to add 10 orange, 3 yellow and 3 orange pieces. Then I am starting with 5th row. We have to add 9 orange, 4 yellow and 2 orange pieces. Like this. Then for the 6th row I am adding 9 orange, 4 yellow and 3 orange pieces. Then for the 7th row I am adding 8 orange, 5 yellow and 2 orange pieces. Now I am just decreasing the level. Then for 8th row I am adding 4 orange, 8 yellow and 2 orange pieces. Can you see from left side? I am decreasing the level. For the 9th row, I am adding 3 orange, 8 yellow and 2 orange pieces. Similarly, from right side you can see I am decreasing the level. For 10th row I am adding 2 orange, 2 yellow, 4 black, 2 yellow and 2 orange pieces. Now almost we are reaching towards the center part of guitar. Then for 11th row I am adding 2 orange, 7 yellow and 2 orange pieces. For 12th row I am adding 2 orange, 1 yellow, 4 black, 1 yellow and 2 orange pieces. For 13th row I am adding 2 orange, 5 yellow and 3 orange pieces. Then for 14th row I am adding 1 orange, 1 yellow, 4 black, 3 yellow and 1 orange piece. Now I am just increasing the level, and for 15th row I am adding 1 orange, 9 yellow and 1 orange pieces. Now again I am broadening the level for the upper part of guitar. For 16th row I am adding 1 orange, 2 yellow, 4 black, 4 yellow and 1 orange pieces. For 17th row I am adding 1 orange, 11 yellow and 1 orange pieces. For 18th, add 1 orange, 3 yellow, 4 black, 5 yellow and 1 orange. Can you see? It is getting broader now. You just need to add pieces according to the measurements I have shown. Then for 19th row I am adding 1 orange, 13 yellow and 1 orange pieces. For 20th row I am adding 1 orange, 4 yellow, 4 black, 3 orange, 2 yellow and 1 orange. For 21st row I am adding 1 orange, 4 yellow, 5 black. Then we need to leave 4 heads here. Then add 1 orange, 2 yellow and 1 orange. Like this. Then for 22nd row I am adding 1 orange, 4 yellow, 1 orange, 4 black. Then leave the gap and finish this part, that is 1 orange, 1 yellow, 1 orange, again 2 orange on top, and this part is done. Now for 23rd row I am adding 4 yellow, 1 orange and 5 black. Again I am decreasing here. Then I am just starting with the next portion, that is 1 orange, 3 yellow and 1 orange. I am finishing this part just like we finished the right part. Then I am adding 1 orange, 2 yellow and 1 orange. After that 1 orange, 1 yellow, 1 orange. Then at the end add 2 orange pieces. So this portion is also done. Now we just need to increase the size of the center stick part. And first I am adding 1 black, 2 yellow and 1 black exactly in the center. Then I am adding 5 black pieces. Then again I am adding 1 black, 2 yellow and 1 black pieces. Then on top of this again I am adding 5 black pieces. And you need to continue this order till the desired size of the guitar. Okay, so you need to increase the level with the similar manner. And I will repeat the same pattern till the desired height. Okay, so just complete it. So here I have increased the center part, and in total I have added 9 times the same process. Then on the top I am adding again 5 black pieces. Then again adding 5 black pieces, and I am decreasing the number of pieces towards the left side of the stick. Then I am adding 4 black pieces. Again 4 black color pieces. Then 3 black pieces. Again 3 black pieces. Then I am adding 2 black pieces. And again for the last row I am adding 2 more black pieces. And the beautiful guitar is ready. Very easy. Just you have to follow my instructions, and very quickly and very easily you can make this type of guitar in few minutes. Now it's time to decorate with some quilling flowers. For the first flower I am taking 1 strip of medium yellow color and making one tight leaf shape. For all the flowers and leaves I am using 2 mm strips. So I am joining total 4 petals together. And for the center of the flower I am taking 1/4 strip of red color, and in total we need 4 these type of flowers. Now for the next flower I am taking one strip of dark yellow and 1/4 strip of red color, and I am making one Malaysian flower petal. I am joining total 5 petals together and adding off-white color tight coil, which is made using half strip of off-white color. So we need 2 these type of flowers. Then for the leaf I am taking half strip of light green color and making one tight leaf shape. We need to join 3 petals together to make one leaf, and in total we need 6 leaves. Now I am starting with the scrolls. For this we need 2 1/4 strip of dark sap green color, 2 1/4 strip of light green color. Gather all together, fold from center and just roll it using pointed tweezer in one direction. So you will get the scroll pattern. Just cut the excess paper from bottom and secure with the glue. So quilling patterns are done. Here I have randomly decorated quilling flowers here and there before adhering with the glue, and now it's looking absolutely fine, so I will stick it permanently using glue. Like this. So we don't need these 2 pieces. And the cute guitar is done, it's completely dried, and now it's time to adhere the magnet from back side. You can keep it as it is if you want to hang it on the wall, but I thought to decorate my fridge using this cute guitar, that's why I'm adhering the magnet. So to stick the magnet I'm using B6000 glue and sticking exactly in the center part. Allow it to dry completely for 1 hour, and the super cute 3D origami guitar fridge magnet is ready. It's looking absolutely amazing and gorgeous. I hope you have understood all the instruction clearly. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.